Hi, I'm Jackie from RACT. Today we're here to talk about something crucial, making sure that our home and contents is properly insured. It's not just about the house, but it's everything inside it too. So let's break it down. Firstly, it's important to remember that we insure the residential building, including any outbuildings and fixtures, such as sheds and carports. You don't need to include the value of the land. The sum insured is the amount that you choose that reflects the replacement value of your home. If, due to a claim, we repair or rebuild, it will be done so on a new for old basis. If, at our option, we do restore, it will be restored to a similar condition it was prior to the loss. Make sure that you consider the current cost to replace the materials in your home with the same quality or similar, rather than just what they might have cost when first built. Next, let's talk about your contents insurance. It's important to understand that at RACT, your contents includes your fixed carpets and your window furnishings. It's not just about the items that you can see, such as your furniture and your artwork, it's about those hidden items too. For example, think about the old Tupperware or pans hiding in the back of the cupboard. Your cupboards and wardrobes, clothes, towels and linen. Just everything that your family uses and needs that you've collected over the years. It all adds up really quickly. And let's not forget about those benchtop appliances. These things can be your Thermomix or your coffee machine because they all form part of your contents. We recommend that you do keep an inventory to hold on to important details. Things like the model numbers, values, and the purchase dates. These are the things that can be easily forgotten when you need them the most. And just like with your building, when we do replace your contents, it will be done so on a new for old basis. So it's important to value your items based on the equivalent today and not what you paid for the item. It is all about getting the right amount of cover, so come claim time, you're fully prepared. We hope this does provide you some guidance on your sum insured. Until next time, please stay safe and we will see you soon.